Get to know the different types of trucks and their unique characteristics. There are many different types of trucks worldwide, each with unique characteristics. Here are some of the most common truck types and their features. Pickup trucks. These are popular for everyday use due to their lightweight and versatility. They can be used for personal and commercial purposes, making them an ideal choice for those needing a versatile vehicle. Semi-trucks, also known as tractor-trailers. These large trucks transport heavy loads, often over long distances. They're great for businesses that need to move large amounts of material quickly and efficiently. Dump trucks, designed specifically for hauling and unloading large piles of materials such as dirt, gravel, or sand. Dump trucks come in various sizes and configurations to best suit the job. Flatbed trucks. These are ideal for hauling long, flat items such as lumber or steel beams. They're great for businesses that need to move large amounts of material quickly and efficiently. Garbage trucks. As the name implies, these trucks are designed to transport and dispose of waste. They come in various sizes and are popular with municipalities and waste management companies.